Hi guys, welcome to my affordable watch collection. My name is Aviv, and today I'm going to take a closer look at the Canadian Microbrand watch, launching in just a couple of weeks on Indigogo, from the Successor collection by SOVRYGN. This one is the Quartz watch, but there's also going to be an automatic one. I already did an unboxing video of this watch and its automatic sibling. I will leave a link for that video in the description of this one and in the top corner of your screen. I will also leave links for the SOVRYGN website where you can sign up for an early bird special price and the Indigogo campaign. Keep in mind that this is a prototype sample of the watch and not the final production version. There are going to be some changes done to the watch, and I'm going to point all those out. This one was sent in for review by SOVRYGN, and by the time you watch this video, the watch will already be in the hands of the next reviewer. Okay, so let's first look at the dimensions. The case is 42mm wide. Its thickness is 12mm. The distance between the lugs is 22mm. Lug tip to lug tip is 48mm. And on the supplied leather strap, it weighs 88 grams. As you can see, this is the black and rose gold variation of the Quartz Successor. There are other options you can choose from. I'm not sure if this would be my first choice, but I have grown to like it. The dial is black and it has a subtle sunburst effect. We have no chapter ring or minute track. We have applied rose gold color indices, 12, 3, 6 and 9 applied Arabic numerals, applied and loomed stick indices everywhere else. On the 12 o'clock we have an applied and loomed logo, and beneath it SOVRYGN printed in white. On the 6 o'clock position we have a small second subdial that has a distinct sunburst effect and the white printed seconds track. On the 3 o'clock position we have both day and date complications, underneath a Cyclops magnifying glass that is going to be removed on the final product. We have highly polished faceted pencil hands. They are also rose gold colored and they are also loomed. We'll check the loom in just a moment. The case is octagonal and it is made of 316L stainless steel, and it is of course rose gold colored. The bezel is fixed. It has SOVRYGN engraved on the side and the brushed finish throughout. The case is actually made of 3 different sections, at least visually. We have those angular lugs that curve down to conform very well to the wrist. We have the mid-case part and the fixed bezel. On the 3 o'clock position we have a push-pull crown, which is signed with the SOVRYGN logo. If we pull it out to the first position, we can set the date and the date. And if we pull it to the second position, we can set the time. And here is the loom shot. We can see the indices very clear. The hands look great as well. You will have no problem telling the time in the dark with this watch. The loom on the final production version is going to be Swiss Superluminova. The watch has a flat, scratch-resistant sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating. We have a leather strap with faux alligator skin design, which I'm not a big fan of. It has a custom-made deployant clasp that is going to be changed as well on the final production version. This is the new buckle design. The color will of course match the watch, and the shape of the buckle will be octagonal to match the case. I think it will definitely look nicer than this one and will also be more comfortable to wear. The case back screws down into place. It is stainless steel as well. It has the SOVRYGN logo etched in the middle and some information on the watch engraved in a circle around the case back. 316L stainless steel, 5 ATM water resistant, that's referring to this watch as 50 meters of water resistant, sapphire glass, and Japanese movement, referring to the Quartz Miyota movement behind this case back. It is a Miyota 0T50. It is a quartz movement with a day-date complication as well as a small seconds complication. It is accurate to about plus or minus 20 seconds per month, and it is supposed to have up to 5 years of battery life. Let's put it on my 7-inch wrist and see how it wears. This is it. To me it feels very elegant and sporty, but also luxurious. The legibility is good. The lugs do curve down and make the watch wear great on my wrist. 42mm is a very nice modern size. The strap is a bit stiff, but I'm guessing that with time it will soften and be more comfortable to wear. So let's talk about some pros and cons I see on this watch. I think it really is a unique looking watch. I do appreciate that it isn't going to be to everyone's taste, and that's okay. It definitely has some AP Royal Oak vibes going on. I think that thanks to the octagonal case, it can be a more affordable alternative to the AP. I don't really dig that engraved SOVRYGN on the side. I think it looks a bit tacky. The day and date wheels are white and the text on them is black. And I think that clashes with the dial. I would prefer if the date wheel itself was black. I think it would blend nicer with the dial. I do like the minimal design on the dial, and I think they did a very good job with the materials they picked for this watch. The stainless steel case, the sapphire crystal, and of course it does have a very reliable Miyota movement inside of it. Unfortunately, I can't talk to you about the price, because the price is not set yet. SOVRYGN has yet to finalize the price. But if you like this watch, you should definitely keep an eye for that. That's why I'm adding the link for the SOVRYGN website and for the Indigogo campaign. You can also sign up for an early bird price. Let me know what you guys think about this watch by dropping a comment in the comment section below. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more affordable watches related content. You can also follow me on Instagram, get to know me and my collection a little bit better, see which watch I'm wearing every day, get all the news about the channel, and connect with me on a more personal level. If you're already here, why not check out another one of my videos? Here are a couple of suggestions. I want to thank SOVRYGN for sending me these watches for review. And I want to thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.